Well guys, I've got an exciting video for you today. We did some home renovations. As you can see, trailers are no longer in the front yard. There's no longer a huge brick wall here. We got a sweet RV gate. I'm gonna show you guys the whole process. Spent a lot of time, a lot of money getting all this done. Pretty exciting stuff. So here we go. Well, we finally got some action on the gate. We hired some professional help. Let's go see what they're up to. Well, the posts are in, baby. Dug down about 2.5 feet. Got a 3-inch post posted up here. And over here, we got our other one. These guys did a really good job getting it close to the wall. Another 2.5 feet down over here. Bang, bang. Starting to take off this little gazebo deal. I got my hammer. Taking out the nails on the little L bracket. We're just gonna, I've got about 4 more to do. We're gonna get those off, and then once Trev gets home, we should just be able to pick it right up and set it down. Yeah, baby!
Just dropped 3 degrees over there. Fifth tries the charm. Let's go! Nice. All right, who's standing under that next one? All right, maybe you wouldn't have had time to move.
You took out half the pillar too. Perfect.
Ooh. Got a crack.
Posts. On.
Yeah, shit's easy.
Yeah, this might be a short deal here in a minute.
Dude, I'm about to push this whole thing over.
Dude, this is go!
Dom, get out of the way. You ready?
Make sure that doesn't hook up over on that.
Ready? Damn, I was gonna get this.
We got one from over there. Wow, dude. That easy, really? Oh, let's move the cam.
Coming over. You gotta push it?
All right, let her rip.
Well, as you guys saw, got the wall all broken down. This main part came down freaking easy, man. Hardest part was getting down that canopy and taking out those huge stumps. We'll show you what we got going on. We got the wooden pillars. We got half of one cement. These ones we ripped out of the ground, which we learned later that we should have just started hitting it with the sludge and it would have went flush, but we're gonna fill with dirt, redo the pavers, fix it up. This one, we got the same deal going on, unfortunately, but not a huge deal. The main thing is done. 7 a.m. tomorrow. We got the gate getting installed right on that post right there. That post right there. And then all we need to do is get a dump trailer. Bring all this junk to the dump. Got a lot of stuff. Bum-ba-da-dum. We finally got completed gate. The boys came out yesterday, hammered down on it. Looks pretty damn good. Got the two 10.5 foot sections open out this way. Then we got the little side gate. And we got the puppy. What's up, bro? For the little side gate, they just mounted this little bar. Just put a little rivet right into the house. Bang. Clean. Now we just got to get rid of all this other stuff. And then we're going to be ready to park the boat back here, baby. Hauling all the junk away, baby. One load going out. Looks like we probably got about one load left. Trying to beat these pieces up a little smaller because they're freaking huge. Love to see it. We're clean, baby.
Alright, so don't really think we need to explain much right here. Basically, train's truck versus street. Don't know if I should be standing here. We got movement. Stop! There she goes! Nice.
So, as you guys saw, we just got the tree ripped out. Got the trailer sitting in the backyard for the first time ever. Today's project, taking out these pavers. It's not gonna be very fun. I started a little bit. You can see where the big cement circles were from the gazebo deal that was up. We're gonna take all these pavers out, pull those last two cement bricks out, and then the old concrete man's coming. Concreting all the way back. So, let you guys know how it goes. Well, after about 3 days of moving bricks, it's finally all cleared out. Let me show you what we got. Nothing left in the bricks. We got the last two big cement brick or blocks out. Filled them in with some sand. And I just mowed the grass down super short. We've got the grading and framing for the concrete coming in tomorrow. And then the day after that, they're gonna be pouring the concrete. It's about a 35 by 22 foot slab. Really excited. Once we get that done, we're basically complete. We'll have the 22 foot gate leading up to the concrete. I'll show you guys the old brick stack. Thinking about using these pavers to pave this and then add a little shop so we can pull a car in through the other RV gate or something like that. But this is the stack we got. Got a bunch of miscellaneous cut pieces and then all the full bricks. My back is hurting from these bad boys, I'll tell you that right now. But yeah, so that's today's update. Well, we got the concrete boys here this morning doing some grading and framing. As you can see, this is all leveled out. We're still cruising that direction. We got the frame. He put that about 3 feet too close, so I'm gonna have him extend that before they do anything else. And I think I might have him go all the way up to the wall over there. Originally I thought I wanted a little spot for water to run off if it rains, but I think I would now prefer the extra concrete after seeing it, how it is. But they said tomorrow morning, 4 a.m., concrete will be here, so that's exciting. Should be a good transformation. Bang! So it ended up pouring rain for the next 3 days. So this is actually 2 weeks later when the concrete guys came back to finish the job. As you can see, we ended up extending it all the way to the wall and a foot towards us, so it just goes straight back with where the pavers were. Here we go, baby. First time with the fully loaded RV pad, baby. Woohoo! Pontoon on the far side. Got the flatbed over here. We were riding this last weekend, so we got Trev's Razor still up there. We're planning on going out again the next few days, so we just left it on the rig. But yeah, look at all this room we still got up front. And we still got a bunch of room back here. I pulled the boat up a little further than the flatbed, so I wanted to have room so we can take this motor off and work on it, or put a new one on it, whatever. Then the flatbed we got going right to the end of the pad. And if we need more space up front, we can keep backing up another 7 or 8 feet. But yeah, this is a really good sight to see if you're me. There's a lot of sweat and money sitting right here. So, feels good, baby. This is the end.